In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect 5 GHz Wi-Fi on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. Now first, go to Settings, go to Network, go to Settings and go to Setup Internet Connection. Now here you will see all of the networks that you have connected, and here you will see the other networks. To scan other networks, press triangle on your controller and you will see here other networks. Now if you only want to see and connect 5 GHz Wi-Fi, first you have to press the options button on your controller. Now here go to Wi-Fi frequency bands. Here it is set on automatic, means you will see 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz both the Wi-Fi's. Now if you want to connect to only 5 GHz, go on 5 GHz only, press X, and here go on OK and press X. You have to wait for it to connect. So now you will see only the 5 GHz networks here. So go on that 5 GHz network Wi-Fi, press X, enter password, and you will be connected. So this is how you can do it, and thanks for watching.